Hello everyone, this is Richard from Arqino. This is the third video in our three-part series of our MQ plugin for Talos. In the first two videos I showed you how to point at an MQ installation, suck in the configuration, and create a template that you can tokenize certain values around and move it from one installation, one MQ installation to a separate MQ installation. So thereby moving across application-specific queues. In this particular video, I'm going to show you a different use case where we will move an entire queue manager installation, so your golden master, and I will do that across two versions of MQ. So here goes. This is our existing VMA, which is an MQ8 VM that we did in the first video. So we're going to point at a second one. It's also going to be dev. It's going to be MQ7, and we'll call it our VMC. So it's our third VM, and that is this box over here that has a red background. It's 16 username, passwords, also default install directory. So in this way we point at a different version of MQ. You see this is the queue manager named MQ7_queue manager, so there's no confusion. In the properties overview you'll see over here that it is version 0.701. So this particular queue manager has only got two queues, alias queue and a normal local queue, and it's MQ7_VMC alias queue and queue, and this will make it easy for us to that's already completed. That will make it easier for us to then move this across. So we'll read the configuration of our MQ7 environment. It now goes through TO, inspects all of this, pulls through all the queue specific details, and we'll bring that into the Talos engine, and from there we will be able to create a template. In this case we will templatize from the point of the actual queue manager itself, and that is successful. We'll tokenize and move that across. So that's completed. So now we'll click on that installation, that middleware instance that we've just had a look at, that we've read the configuration on, and we will be able to create a new MQ template. We'll call this one move MQ7 manager version 1, and what we'll do is we'll take everything down, including the install directory. So we're going to move this entire queue manager MQ7 MTR just to show you that this takes place properly. We'll also take on this queue over here, just change the max queue depth over there. We'll also create a variable over here in case your install directory is non-standard, and we click save, and that template has now been created. So if we go back to VMA, which as you can see in this example, VMC is red background, VMA is the turquoise background. We'll come here and you'll see there's the two queue managers. We'll now go to Talos, click on VMA, we'll add this new template that we've created. You can go and edit it, and over here this will show you the two installed directories where this template has been deployed on VMC and VMA. Over here we just make sure that that is standard npm, and we change this to 2222 just to show that it is different. We'll save that, and now we will apply that. So that version 1 has been applied. It's created the payload in your Jenkins or OpenCode deploy. It will create all the artifacts so that it can actually run. In our case we will come to our shell and run it manually. So it's on VMA, and it's move MQ7 QMGR. Just checking that, move MQ7 QMGR. And now we will run this activity, this remote activity, and it will go ahead and create this MQ7 queue manager by name on an MQ8 box. You'll see once this is completed that the actual lift and shift takes, there we go, that is completed. So let's go have a look at that VM and see what's happened. Just refresh this and there we go, MQ7 QMGR. There's your queues. We'll just have a look at this local queue and the properties and the extended, and you'll see there's the value that we set that to. Another thing that is of interest, when we click on the queue manager, we go to the properties quick view, and you'll see that it is version 8.002. So that use case now shows you a migration from version 7 to version 8. Thank you for watching.